we have to introduce ourselves so we can get to know each other. Start from me ya. Hello, my name is Patricia Pinagesti Parahita. People usually call me Rara. My NPM is 8201.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Elvira Beleza, but people call me Elsa, and my NPM is 8172.
Do you wanna build a snowman? Let it go. Is that you?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go and play.
I'm the dumber.
Okay. Okay. Now, Elsa.
Do you wanna go
Okay, bye. Okay. Hi guys, my name is Adira Gracia Melody Ginting, and you can call me Tia. And my NPM is 8191.
911?
What's your emergency? Mayday, mayday.
Okay, hi guys, my name is Scarlett Hermaman, but you guys can call me Tata. My NPM is 8173.
Last but not least, let me introduce myself. My name is Safarin Cavalera. People call me Safa. My NPM is 8198.
Whoa.
Hi, Safa. Hi.
Stop. Thank you guys. How are you today?
Totally fine.
I'm good. How about you?
Thank you for asking.
Why are you blushing?
Because you're so sweet.
Aww.
Okay, it's work. Glad to hear that you guys are in a good condition. So, have you ever been a leader for whatever, either organization or community, or maybe being a class leader?
Yeah.
Yeah. I have ever been as a leader when I was in senior high school.
Oh, that's cool.
What's occasion?
I'm the leader of yearbook event.
Oh,
in
wow.
my
Sounds
school.
good.
Yeah, but it's pretty difficult for me because that's my first time to be a leader at the time. So yeah, that's a very challenging.
Yeah,
That's okay.
it's complicated, right?
Yeah.
From scale 1 to 10, how much is your stress level?
I think 9 out of 10.
Wow.
Because at the time I have to prepare my study to final exam for the graduation from the senior high school, right? So at the time I'm very burned out. I have to think about the term of the term.
Elsa, don't forget to let it go.
Let it
Yeah,
go.
yeah, a lot of things that I have to prepare.
Ah.
Yeah.
Glad that you can pass it and you
Yeah.
did a great job.
Yes, true.
We're proud of you, Elsa.
Mommy proud of you. Ew.
Stop.
Stop.
Ew.
You're not my mom.
What about you, Chia?
Okay, well, I've been a leader in youth community. It was fun, but a little bit difficult to take care a lot of people in one community. Like,
Youth Camp, is that church community?
yeah, that's right.
Where is your church?
Giga Ijayan.
Yeah. I've ever heard that. And also, I had a friend that.
Really?
Yeah. Who's that person? His name is Karen.
Really?
Why?
Why?
What happened with
No,
Karen?
like, he's my bro, man. Bro.
Are you sure he's your bro?
Yeah, like, he treat me like I'm a little sister.
You doesn't even have any feelings for him.
No.
Are you sure?
She always like, treat me like a princess. No, I'm
never.
a princess, Chia. Stop. Okay. That's it.
Okay, thank
Thanks.
you.
Okay.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Okay, so I used to be basketball captain back in my
Oh.
senior high school.
That's cool.
It's kinda make me frustrated because sometimes one of my players getting lazy to get practice and it's kind of making me mad. But yeah, I'm okay with that.
Oh, so you have to be chosen by the group?
No, actually the coach is choose me.
Wow.
So
That's-
that you play very
Impressive.
well, right?
Yeah, he must be think.
Please teach me to play basketball.
Yeah.
Okay,
to.
soon after
I can dribble.
Like,
Tata can teach me.
here.
How to dribble? How
Yeah.
to shoot it?
Tara can do a slam.
Oh my
Like
god.
no. You
I'm
can
way too
teach me
short
like
for the slam dunk.
like I can.
Okay, thank you, Tata. What about you, Shafa?
I happen to have never led an organization, but I understand a little bit about leadership because I can lead myself, right?
Independent woman, that's right. When I heard your opinion about leader, I feel like you're such an independent woman.
Oh,
Me too. By the
Oh,
way,
you
are
not. I'm princess
Stop
and
cleaning
independent.
yourself.
Oh my god, stop.
She a princess.
By the way, guys.
Okay, how about you, Ra? Have you ever led something?
Yes, when I was in 4th grade.
Oh my god.
Wow. Yeah.
Elementary school?
Yes. I ever be a class leader.
Oh.
wow.
I know.
Just a girl.
I'm just a girl, tiny Rara, leading something.
super tiny Rara, leader of her class. Her class in elementary school. Rara super tiny.
My friends more small than me.
Really?
She's lying.
Okay, by the way, after our sharing moments, I think that it will be fun if we discuss more about leadership because everyone can be a leader and even each of us has ever been before.
Yeah.
Right. So now, and since we are born in Indonesia, right? You guys definitely know that every 5 years there is an election for president, right?
For this year, this is our first time.
Exactly. This is
Yeah.
for-
How do you feel, guys, at the time?
I'm so happy and I feel like I'm.
I feel
so
nervous.
Yeah,
nervous
me too.
now.
I'm so nervous at it.
Like-
Like, there's a lot of
Candidate.
Yeah, a lot of candidates.
Yeah.
So I can.
So we have to be wise to choose
Yeah.
for our leader.
Yes.
But it's not exactly correct because in the past, around the 90s, the first and second president served more than 5 years without a vote from the people.
Wow.
You know, like Suharto's era.
Yeah.
He served for 32 years
Oh my
as
God.
president.
It's so long
Yeah.
period.
Yeah. It's really long.
That's our second president, right?
Oh,
The
that's
first
right.
president is Sukarno, right?
Yeah, uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. And then?
But Suharto was known for his authoritarian
Oh.
and
Oh.
autocratic
Oh, yeah, I
leadership
know.
style.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of people don't like him.
I think there is a people that like him and don't like him. No,
Yeah.
not everyone doesn't
Yeah.
like
All
him.
people
Ah.
have
Mm.
the different.
Perspective.
Yeah.
They have their own opinion
Mhm.
about him.
What's your opinion?
I think
Mm-hmm.
the more authoritarian you are, the more you can organize your people to obey.
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah,
But
that makes sense.
But for me,
Hmm?
in my opinion too, I prefer like the democratic style. Like you know Jokowi?
Yeah.
I agree with you, Elsa.
It's
Yeah.
our president.
Yeah,
Mhm.
no.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I forgot.
We already have a new president
Yeah.
right now.
I still
Sir Prabowo Subianto.
in Hebrew, in Cameroon.
Bing Raka.
Yeah.
Sorry, wrong hand.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
I can't move on from him.
Oh, for
Ah,
10 years. That makes sense because he led our country for 10 years. Right?
Very
Yeah.
well. Very good, very well.
Wow.
So, did you guys know about Jokowi style called Blusukan style?
Ah, I know.
What is that? What is Plusukan?
Oh, let me give an example.
Yeah.
Belusukan is when Jokowi visit remote village. Jokowi go to the traditional market and join the people there.
Yeah. So it's like
It's like a volunteer.
yeah, getting closer to the
With-
community,
yeah.
and society.
But for what? He's a president. Why should he volunteer himself?
Because, of course, because he need to.
Get closer.
Closer.
to
Yeah,
people.
he wants to
Yeah,
get closer
So
to the people.
he know about the condition
Oh, right.
in the right situation in Indonesia.
Yeah.
That's,
So he blended in.
yeah.
Yeah. He wants to show with her
With
so
his eyes.
yeah
With
with
his
his
own
eyes.
eyes. What's the condition?
Do you guys know why Suharto was known for his authoritarian leadership style?
No, why?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know it's true or not, because a lot of people told me like, but I wasn't born yet.
Yeah,
Me too.
We are still young. My mom is not
Ready.
born.
Tiny art.
Tiny Shafa. Okay, so
Stop.
she hasn't even born. How can you say Tiny Shafa?
tiny.
Sorry. So
It's okay.
there's a story that the reason why Suharto was authoritarian was because of his childhood.
Oh.
So,
What
as
kind
a
of
child, he was born, sorry to say, from poor family.
Oh.
And then he saw, I forgot if he saw his cousin or his brother,
Mm-hmm.
but his cousin was given new clothes by his father,
Okay.
but Suharto didn't.
So he gets jealous. He gets
Yeah.
angry and sad.
So Suharto like upset, like felt upset.
Mhm.
And then, yeah, when became president, he had a sense to control more.
But
Ah.
that can be used as a reason for him, because he was lead a country, a nation. That's a lot of people. Not only like
yeah.
2 or
Organization.
3. Not yeah.
Community, not only like that, but he lead a lot of
A nation.
people.
Yeah. And why?
It's complicated, right?
Mm. That's
But at that time, I saw in one journal, like, wait, I searched.
Can you speak louder?
At that time,
Okay.
I saw in one journal.
Calm
Don't get
down.
mad.
Don't get
Don't
mad.
get mad.
Tata will read it.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Tata, this.
Yeah. In turn, there was a very strong reciprocal relationship where the relationship were strong leadership. Strong leadership will strengthen his leadership to make change. Make bigger change. Make bigger change. Bigger and bigger. Conversely, leader who do not have the what the fuck? What is this? The IQ.
Memiliki.
Oh, the leader who don't have the ability to change things for the better where they are, they will be farthest from the position. Oh my god, why is this double? Wording double. The position of strong leadership. The worse leadership, the more difficult it is to change. Yeah. So the point is, if someone with authority style, it will give more strength and change. Like maybe more fast and more efficiently at decision making than the what style you like? I forgot.
Democracy.
Yeah, democracy.
But the democratic style like includes not wanting to be complicated and being able to solve existing problem and prioritizing the creative and the communications to all society in Indonesia.
Okay, I wanna ask you something. Either Elsa or Shafa can answer it. Okay. Why should we use democratic leadership if the president doesn't even lead? And then, at Suharto era, he used the authoritarian leadership that always led and directed us as a people.
Let me make it simple with my example.
Yeah, okay.
As a student, I can emulate the Belusukan leadership style shown by Jokowi through activities participant in campus communities or student organization. For example, in dealing with problems related to campus facilities or student activities, you can apply a similar approach as Jokowi. Instead of the resorting to violence or confrontational methods, you can take the initiative to have open discussion. To have open discussion with relevant parties. Seek mutual solution through compromise and prioritize creativity in finding solutions that benefit all parties. This approach not only demonstrates the ability to solve problems effectively, but also encourage effective communication and respect for the opinions of all community members. Through this action, I will demonstrate a proactive leadership style and get closer to members of the campus communities, while developing democratic and humanitarian values in daily interaction.
Okay, so guys, can you give us each the essence of our president's leadership style from the Suharto era and Jokowi's era?
Okay.
Who first?
Suharto's first?
Okay, so from us, the conclusion is the authoritarian style are more disciplined because of the rules that already made that people must obey. And the authoritarian style can be wiser in decision making.
Okay, what about Jokowi's era?
In Jokowi's era, democracy has several significant advantages. First, it gives voting rights to all citizens, ensuring participation in the decision-making process. Second, it promotes government accountability because governments are elected by the people. And the third, it creates an environment where human rights are respected and civil liberties are protected. Fourth, it supports innovation and economic growth by providing freedom of speech and creativity. In conclusion, democracy provides the foundation for a just, free, and responsible society.
Okay.
There is for Jokowi's era.
So it means that a democratic leader is more respectful and thoughtful of his people, while an authoritarian leader is more independent and can rely on himself. Okay, so there's a lot of plus minus, and if we had a chance to be a leader, we can mix the democratic and the authoritarian.
We can keep them both.
Yeah.
Be wise.
So
It's so deep conversation, I
yeah,
guess.
we have a deep talk.
Yeah.
Ding 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 ding.
You know, use this.
Big ball. Thank you so much, guys, for our discussion today. It's really heartwarming and it gave me a lot of insight, so I can be a good leader in the future.
Amen.
We can be a
We
good
can.
leader.
Not only you.
I am sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's not a
Thank you guys